Welcome back to another COHO walkthrough. Let's look at credit control and chasing arrears. When you open the credit control panel, you'll be met with every overdue tenancy, as well as the days overdue, the arrears owed, and the next step waiting to go out. You can further break this down by property, tenancy type, the type of money they owe, and how long it's been overdue. The panel then clearly displays each tenancy in the order you select. If you want to see it in order of tenancy, in order of how many days it's been overdue, the amount that's due, when it was last paid, and the last time you took action. You can also click on the View button and see your entire history of credit control with that specific tenant, from the first notice you sent out all the way through to your last escalation. COHO tracks every escalation with every tenant, so you can easily see the steps you've already taken and what the next actions need to be. You can take action in a click of a button. By clicking multi-select, you can either tick all tenancies or individual ones. From there, choose bulk send template and select the template you want to send out to all highlighted tenants. You can also select execute proposed step. This will send out the required template depending on what escalation stage each tenant is at. Finally, by going to the credit control settings in the right hand corner, you can view and edit templates for each escalation policy. Go into each policy and you can see what exactly is being sent out, as well as any changes you would like to make to that policy. Each template is customizable, so you can choose the type of arrear, how you'd like to send it out, as well as what you'd like the message to say. Finally, you can preview the template before anything goes live. Once everything's saved, they sit in COHO, so every time you need to remind the tenant, it's one click away.
COHO.